What a lovely day, guys. And this is my first video on mine gaming. I think mine tablets. So I think I'm not late for high school. Yeah, I think I'm not late. Yeah, I think I'm not late for. Oh my gosh, I'm late. I did see that something, guys. I have a secret. So today, guys, I have a secret that can pass anywhere. Oops, oops. Okay, we're in the locker. Oh, that's not my locker. Oh, that's not. Oh, this is my second locker. Okay, it's my friend's locker. Okay, why is me? Hey. It's so wrong. This teacher's wrong. Maybe put some locker room over here. Ouch. So. Ouch. Oh, wait. So guys, I think my teacher's not here. Yeah, I think my teacher's not here. Scary tables. Oh, scary. What? Scary tables. Ouch! Why the stars? Ouch! Hey. Driving me crazy. Why are you driving me crazy? Let's go. I hate this thing. It's like handsome. Yeah, so haunted. I think my teachers will be back because they have a filter. But today, guys, I'm worried to them because they're not going to go for a third day. Oh no, it's night. I hate nights. Oh, I hate nights. Stay there, Lizzie. You're such a good dog. Let's watch some TV. I'm tired. This is my sleeping couch. I put some block over there and some block in the bed for this. You can sit or sleep. That's an X-sleep. I'm not. Good morning, guys. Oh, I'm not late. Oh my gosh, I broke the glass. Oh, ouch, I broke. Ow, my hand. Ow, super hurts. Ow. I'm never gonna break some glass from. Ouch. My hand bleed. I think my hand bleed. Ew, I don't want some hand bleed. Ew. Hey, don't look at me. I'm about to get back. Ow. Hand bleed. Ouch. Did you do that? No, you didn't. Oh, there's many items. Oh, roses. I'll decorate the house. I'll decorate with roses. Maybe I didn't know where I could put my roses. This is rock. Let's put some more. There, over there. Nice. So guys, if you like this, just leave a comment. But I'm not gonna finish my videos. I think you've been like when you're subscribing more. Subscribe. Any links that you want to subscribe. If we have more, and we will everywhere. I love these roses. It's a good way. Let's put more roses. I think I can show you the back soon. Oh, fresh roses. Oh, fresh roses. Oh, some fresh roses. Hey, yeah, it's still fresh. But you can see me. You can't see me. Why? Help. Help. You can see me. You can see me. I'm not hiding. I'm not hiding. When my teachers come back, he will be a funny teacher. But my other friends don't like to be in my team. The mind tablets. Because we play on the tablets, but it's okay. Oh, I'll keep running. Yeah, what do you want? Wanna walk? Come on! Fast runner wins! Fast runner wins! Oh, I'm a fast runner! Fast runner! Here, fast runner! No more! Yeah, I'm a fast runner! You can chase me! No, he's chasing me! Ah, come on, run back! I'm a fast runner! And guys, this is a flat area. It's a flat area. Flat area. So guys, it's a flat area. I know it's a flat area, but wait a minute. Something's wrong. But we will not find it everywhere because he doesn't belong in the world. Oh no, one lovely sense. One lovely senses, Dougie. Come on, Dougie. So today, guys, I'm going back and say that where's the teacher go and why they're not coming back. And today, guys, leave a comment or a subscribe. Just leave a comment or a subscribe. Comment if you like videos or what. Just leave a comment. Okay, guys? Okay. See you next soon. I'm just joking. I'm just gonna build some videos if you like it. If you like it, I'll build more videos. Bye, guys.